How many types of floor are there in buses? We have 5 common types: low floor, low entrance, 2-step, 3-step, and 4-step. Low entrance and low floor are commonly seen in Europe, America, and first-tier city of China because there are no steps, which meet the requirements of local regulation and are convenient for the disabled. There are also many 2-step in China because the 2-step has more space to install the battery in the chassis than the low floor or low entrance, which need the battery to be installed on the roof. 3-steps and 4-step are often used in intercity buses and in some countries in South America where road conditions are not very good. I prefer the 2-step because it is not very high and not very low. The battery does not need to be installed on the roof in most cases. The center of the gravity is low, so it is not easy to turn over and is safer. And the design and layout is easier than the low floor or low entrance. Which type of floor do you like? Tell me in the comments.